What's up, YouTube? On this episode of Coddiwomple Garage, we're going to be talking about Clayton Offroad's Overland Plus suspension system. When we got into overlanding, we had a fairly capable Jeep. It had a TerraFlex leveling kit, and it had 34-inch all-terrain tires on it. While this setup was fine for gravel roads and even mild dirt roads, it was not going to take us to the more remote or technical areas that we wanted to go to, as Deb and I have off-roaded the majority of our lives. With the addition of all the overlanding gear that we were adding to the Jeep, we were noticing that the suspension was getting softer and our travel was getting less and less. After a lot of research, we decided to go with Clayton Offroad Suspension Overland Plus lift kit. Some of the things that really sets Clayton apart is they're family owned. All of their products are 100% designed and built in the USA, and they offer a lifetime warranty on their products. We chose the 3.5-inch kit, which allowed us to run 37-inch tires with our flat fenders. The Overland Plus systems come with 8 fully adjustable control arms, a adjustable track bar for the front, rear adjustable sway bar links, and a heavy-duty reinforced track bar bracket for the rear. Clayton's industry-exclusive square control arms gives you a lot more surface area around the control arm, which means a lot stronger product. The included front track bar is not only a lot bigger than stock, it's also adjustable. While you still use the factory track bar in the rear for this setup, they do give you a rear track bar relocation bracket, and it's a lot more than just a couple of tabs. Not only does it attach to your factory track bar location, but it also sandwiches around your axle tube, which gives it much higher stability and strength. Clayton gives you the option of a couple different shocks to go with this package. We chose the Bilstien 5100s. This kit is completely bolt-on, and with simple hand tools, you can do the whole thing in your own garage. There's no question about the build quality of these products. The question is, how does it perform? On the road, the ride is smooth, and it's an improvement over stock. The Jeep feels stable, even in the rain. On gravel roads, this Jeep with the new lift kit feels right at home, no matter what the gravel size is. Off-road is where this lift kit really shines. We couldn't be more satisfied with Clayton Offroad's Overland Plus suspension system. Clayton builds products for all models of Jeeps. If you're interested, leave us a comment below. We'll get you a discount code, so you can let them know that Coddiwomple Overland sent you. Thanks again for watching Coddiwomple Overland. Remember, like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.